কিমান এজ হ'ব নিশিকাওয়ানৰ এটা গেছ কৰকচোন 60 আৰু কোনে কিমান হ'ব পাৰে his age is 78 he is in 78 and মোক কৈছে যে 100 বছৰলৈকে মই কাম কৰিম দেন মই ৰেষ্ট ল'ম অলপ so he said that he will work up to 100 years 100 years yes so 100 years লৈকে কৈছে মই ঘুৰি ঘুৰি কোম্পানী চলাম then I will take some rest with family so it's a wall jot ami jabor karne eku sankoch bodh koribo nalage so moi bele country hole I would have two opinion but when it comes to Japan amar duta opinion thakiboi nalage karon june Japanot koise they are very very happy soul tar dito প্ৰদূষণৰ পৰা আৰম্ভ কৰি খোৱা বোৱালৈকে everything Indian people can sustain Indian people can survive Indian people can thrive এইটোৱে হৈছে ডিফাৰেন্স যেতিয়া আমি জাপানিজ ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ ইয়াত গোটেই কথাটো হল that Japanese language they will give you proper skill training যেনেকৈ আমাক কোৱা হৈছে the median age which is very important Japanese মানুহবিলাক বহুত বয়সস্থ হৈ গৈ আছে they are around 48 I think they are 48 50 and in compare Assam is 22 our median age Assam is a youthful state India is 28 India koyo Assam besi যুৱক যুৱতীৰে সমৃদ্ধ the young generation we have still large young generation in compared to rest of the India and in compared to Japan we are a young country Japanese Prime Minister and Indian Prime Minister has signed a memorandum of understanding whereby it has been agreed that Japanese people will come and work in India because apnaluke jane right from Maruti Suzuki almost 2,400 Japanese companies are there in India. So tar karne Japanese workforce ahibo lage because 100% Indian manuhe tat kam koribo nware at least they need 20% 30% Indian manu amar Ashomoto বহুত বিলাক নমলিগড় ৰিফাইনাৰী এইবিলাকো জাপানৰ কনষ্ট্ৰাকচন ফাৰ্মে কৰিছিলে টকিঅ ইলেক্ট্ৰন ভাল ভাল কোম্পানীজ বিলাক এতিয়া জাগিৰোডটো সেমিকন্ডাক্টৰ ইন্ডাষ্ট্ৰি entire backbone will be the Japanese company infrastructure to banabo the semiconductor industry that big machines will come from Japan so Japanese manuhu yat thakibo lagibo and the number of Japanese people in India is increasing so Prime Minister has made a agreement that jodi Japanor manu ami India rakhim so let government of Japan also takes Indian people and when right from the software engineer the guy who knows artificial intelligence the guy who knows about physics chemistry the cream of human resource up to the caregiver so in next 5 years government of Japan wants to take 5 lakhs youth from India that is the agreement between the Prime Minister of Japan and Prime Minister of India so what they will give their only requirement is that a candidate should know Japanese language amatko olo belek their script is symbol they use symbol then they use letters there is a little complex language when it comes when we compare with Assam even language also it takes time to pick up but once it is picked up it's become easy the guy who was now interpreting Nishikawa-san's speech he was an Indian boy aru Japanot maximum interpreter or kam aji dinot Indian student e kori ase moi jetia goi dekhisilu So Japan Prime Minister আৰু Indian Prime Minister agree কৰিলে যে যেতিয়া আমি Japanese language শিকুৱাই লৰা ছোৱালীক পঠিয়াম, they will give a visa called Specified Skilled Worker Visa SSW. আৰু যদি আমি doctor engineer পঠাও, then there are more category of visa which will be more longer duration. This visa is for 5 years and extendable যদি student বা লৰা ছোৱালীজনে থাকিব খোজে. So average এই ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজটো যদি আমি পঢ়ো, then Japanese language proficiency test এটা আমি দিব লাগে. Usually we will be ready in 1 year. এবছৰত আমি ready হৈ যাও. Percentage of failure is also there. It is not that everybody will pass. Karon out of 100, I believe 70 to 75% passes in the first attempt. Of course, in second attempt, everybody pass. So, yaru duta direction ase. Why ASEAN 1 and other partners are important. India baki jagat NSDC ba an organization bilakeo Japanese language sikai. But their teachers are Indian. Indian teachers are Japanese language sikai. ASEAN 1 will deploy Japanese teacher along with the Indian teacher. And other two companies will also bring Japanese teacher. So the perfection of language will be fine and it will help us in Japanese proficiency test, language proficiency test. So now we will not read subject, we will only focus on language. Baki ami ji gari cholai aso fine, ami ji nursing education amar lua ase ji ami jano out of 16 trade, it is fine because their machines are different, our machines are different. On job তেওঁলোকে আমাক skill training korabo, but it will be on payment. Ami salary usually pai thakim. It is not that they will put us on apprentice. They will give us a salary of 2 lakhs. Etia ami koi asilo the Indian rupees of তেওঁলোকে Japan government amak 50,000 dibo. That was when we discussed. Today rupee becomes stronger. Now it is 68,000. Ihor karone although Japan ami dangor country buli kom, advanced country buli kom, the development economic buoyancy is more in India. So Indian rupee is also now much stronger in compared to Japanese yen. So সেই কারণে আমি যেহেতু ঘৰত পঠালে will calculate in terms of rupee. So now the rupee has become 50,000 has become 68,000. Hopefully your salary also what we discussed 175 2 lakhs. Now it must have added by another 10 to 15,000. Yeah, not add nohoy, but in rupee it is adding. So ঘৰত যেতিয়া পঠাম it will be not 2 lakhs, it must be 2 lakhs 10,000, 2 lakhs 5,000, 2 lakhs 7,000 like that. So that you can always calculate. Yate jetia ami ei scheme to launch korisilo, the structure of the scheme was that the fees will be 3,80,000, 3,60,000. The fees they will charge. Now we divided 1 lakh will be given by the government of Assam. 1 lakh toka Assam Sarkare dibo, 50,000 toka Japan government dibo. 1.5 lakh hol 3,60,000 পৰা 1.5 lakh minus কৰিলে আমি দিব লাগিব প্ৰায় 2,10,000. আজি ৰাতিপুৱা মই এখেতৰ লগত আকৌ অলপ ডিপলি কথা পাতিলো যে ইনিশিয়াল আমি আৰু অলপ কমাব নোৱাৰো নেকি. And he is such a nice guy. আজি মোৰ লগত কথা পতাৰ পিছত 3,60,000 fees একে কোবে he reduced to 1,80,000. So such a nice guy, he reduced it to 1,80,000 means Assam government jodi 1 lakh diye, Japan government jodi 50,000 diye, you have to pay just 30,000 rupees. So you have to just pay 30,000 rupees. And tar logot aru eta bhal khobor, the Axis Bank is ready to give you that 30,000 as loan. So everything we have done for you. Karan moor target hoise 50,000 lora swali Asomor pra Japan jabo lage. Aro moor mane moi basic koi kobo khuja nai. Porokhiu Japan or speaker muleke ekhon chithi dise je Sharma, we want to take more if you can give more. So even jodi ami 1 lakh target koru, they will take. Koche Asomok ami lom. So this is what moi ebare Japan goisu, but that is what I have earned in one of my visits. So pisoleke jodi aru log pao, I think ami aru besi will be able to take concession out. So Advantage 2.0 ami khub seriously korisilu. Aru these are the fruits of Advantage 2.0. Eti ami aru eta step loisu that we are placing 10 SCS officer also to learn Japanese language. Kyo Japanor manu English nokoi bhal napai. Gotike Japanor logot further communication bodhabor karone pothabor karone nohoy, but we also need to create a indigenous base jot niki Japanor manu ahile Japani bhashat kotha kobo pare. Ar jikhon rajyote teoluke gom pai je ya Japanese koa manu ase, they get attracted to that state immediately. Hekane ei course ote ami 10 jon SCS officer ko tumalukor logot dim to learn equally. Of course they will not go to Japan, but they will learn Japanese so that we can facilitate more and more Japanese people coming to Assam. So that is our goal. So now the line is very clear. Okol 30,000 toka ami dibo lagibo. Initial we committed the initial student khini karone ami 1 lakh toka stated in pisor number of student bahile support to komabo lagibo porhabo lagibo, that will decide. But these batch etiao jodi kunobai admission loy hokolue 1 lakh toka state government e dibo, 50,000 Japan government e dibo. Of course Japan language to pass korar pisot dibo. Now 50 becomes 68. Aro Asam Sarkaro diato ami agot dim okonman moi saisu that aru olop ami liberal koribo paru. We will make a more liberal release of funds so that tumalkor kosto to kom hoy. Aru 30,000 Axis Bank is ready and all other banks will be ready to provide. Tat kono okhobidha nai. Ami will work more. Ami aru besi kam korim bankor logot. Aru lahe lahe moi bhabu je jetia ta ecosystem gorloi uthibo. Asian One and other company they will come. Ami ketiaba Guwahati University to eta center koribo parim. Cotton College eta center koribo parim. Amingaot ami aru eta center koribo khujisu. Jetia ecosystem to bahi jabo, PG thaka subidha tubidha bahi jabo, then cost will also proportionately it will keep on coming down. Gotike moi আজি সকলোকে আকৌ এবাৰ অসমৰ যুৱক সমাজক আহ্বান জনাম যে আমাৰ কাৰণে এটা সোণালী সুযোগ, এটা অকণমান বহিলে পাবা 2 মিনিট পাবা 2 মিনিট। সো আমাৰ কাৰণে এটা সোণালী দিন যে আমি অসমৰ নিবনুৱা ল'ৰা ছোৱালীৰ কাৰণে উই হেভ অপেনড আপ এ চেনেল, এটা ভাল চেনেল এটা আজি আমি খুলি দিছো। ইয়াৰ লগত আমাৰ ডিসকাশন হৈ আছে উইথ দ্য গভৰ্নমেন্ট অফ সাউথ কোৰিয়া এণ্ড গভৰ্নমেন্ট অফ জাৰ্মানী। এই দুটা ডিসকাশনো আমাৰ লগত চলি আছে। যদি জাৰ্মানী আৰু সাউথ কোৰিয়াও দে অলসো কামস টু টার্মস লাইক দিস, তেতিয়ালে মই ভাবো যে আমাৰ আৰু এভিনিউ বাঢ়ি যাব। ষ্টুডেন্ট উইল হ্যাভ অপশনস যে মই জাৰ্মান ল্যাঙ্গুৱেজ শিকিম, জাপানিজ ল্যাঙ্গুৱেজ শিকিম নে কোৰিয়ান ল্যাঙ্গুৱেজ শিকিম, আমাৰ অপশন আৰু বাঢ়ি যাব। Apart from that, we have also a understanding with Singapore to send nurse there. Already Asomor, around Assam and Northeast Mili, 50 nurses are working there. Teolukok joabar moi Singapore jaute khudisilu je Asomot ahibo khoja niki, bole sir etia najao mor dormaha eta 2 lakh toka pai asu, Asomot to iman napabo. Aro tare 4 joni swaliye ডিফু মেডিকেল কলেজৰ চাকৰি ৰিজাইন দি গৈছে এইটো নহয় যে গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট চাকৰি বুলি আমি এৰি নাযাওঁ দে ইমিডিয়েটলি চালে কাৰণ আমাৰ ডিফু মেডিকেল কলেজ we might have paying her 35,000 37,000 today she is getting 1,70,000 2 lakhs rupees happy soul মই গুটেই কেগৰাকী ছোৱালীক লগ পাইছিলো মই ইনফেক্ট তেওঁলোকক ডিসেম্বৰত মাতিছো এবাৰ অসমত যাতে তেওঁলোকে নিজৰ এক্সপেৰিয়েন্সটো ক'ব পাৰে so we are closely working in fact we have succeeded in sending people maybe a small number in Singapore today we are launching with Japan and we are also working with Germany আৰু Korea so অসমত লৰা ছোৱালী এটা নিবনুৱা হৈ থাকিব নালাগে the avenues are open now খালি আমি এইবিলাক ইনোভেশনক আমি একসেপ্ট কৰিব লাগে আৰু মনক বুজাব লাগে যে আজিকালি জাপান আৰু দিল্লীৰ মাজত একো পাৰ্থক্য নাই ফটক কৰি যাব পাৰি ফটক কৰি আহিব পাৰি হোৱা তাৰ ব্যৱহাৰ পাতি it is like another north east সেইকাৰণে আমাৰ কোনো কালচাৰেল ডেফিচিয়েন্সি নাথাকে জাৰ্মানী আৰু কোৰিয়াৰ লগত অলপ থাকিব but জাপানৰ লগত we will not have any cultural deficiency at all আমি Gulf countries are logoto ami discussion kori asu in fact edman agote Saudi Arabia ambassador ahi muk log kori goise so that is another way they want more drivers and all tatu amar discussion soli ase I think with days to come ami ohomor jubok shakti eta global human resource loike ami transform koribo parim and at the end আমি নিজৰ ইচ্ছাত গৈছো নিজৰ ইচ্ছাত ঘূৰি আহিব পাৰিম it is not that there will be any contract যে আমি ঘূৰি আহিব নোৱাৰিম অমুক কৰিব নোৱাৰিম the moment you want to come back home এক মাহৰ নোটিছ দিম will come back তাত খালি এটাই কথা foreign countries that we should not indulge in any crime they are very strict on that কেইদিনমান আগতে জাপানত there was a huge protest against people from Tanzania and all because they found them involved in crime foreign country etai je once you commit crime then that's become very difficult so hey bostu tu ami khali monot rakhibo lagibo je crime is not encouraged friendship is encouraged always so that's the bottom line moi punor ebar amar skill department ok dhonnobad janam GD Tripathi dhonnobad janam je CM flight this is a very ambitious scheme as Nishikawa-san has said that in Japan everything is started with a small experience but then they make it big so today we are beginning with a small number into my presoko অনুরোধ কৰিম যে beyond politics আমি যিখিনি কথা কৈছো মানুহক ষ্টুডেন্টক জনাব লাগে I request skill development department to create a lot of publicity on this because this is a very important scheme amiu amar level of jiman publicity koribo paru ami chesta korim and campus oleke ami scheme to loi jabo lage Guwahati University Cotton College Dibrugarh University lora sole muk loke log pale koy mama iman pohisu sakori nai so here is your job and job are such যে যেটো salary মই জীৱনত কেতিয়াও দিব নোৱাৰো অসম গভৰ্ণমেণ্টে জীৱনত কেতিয়াও দিব নোৱাৰে that's the kind of salary so job with premium salary so we should grab it and we should make this scheme a complete success আমি বহুত at least মাক বাপেকে শান্তি পাব যে মোৰ লৰা পঢ়ি শুনিলে কেতিয়াও বেকাৰ হৈ থাকিব নালাগে this is a sure source of getting employment they have agreed that out of 5 lakhs 50,000 is earmarked for Assam out of 5 lakhs in the country 50,000 is earmarked for Assam কিন্তু once we accomplish that 50,000 we can get another 50,000 so it's a huge number পুনৰ এবাৰ সকলোকে ধন্যবাদ জনালো আমাৰ I also pay my deep thanks to Nishikawa-san for coming here and in fact we wanted to do it yesterday but yesterday amar bikhe kaam thaka karone I requested him to stay one night he agreed to stay another night for this program once again thank you so much. Aru Tripathi student kheni logot Tripathi and our Hanif, everybody will be in touch. Kibat okubida hole you can communicate in fast hand. Aru amar 1 lakh tokar scheme to well of restructure kori dim so that it can help you in meeting your financial requirement. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.
Associate Chief, you are the Chief Minister.